Okay, today's escapade, I changed the furniture in the living room around. I relocated the couch over here and put the chairs over here. Roy Jr. is almost touching the ceiling. And this mess you see here on the floor is me. I went out to the garage and I feel like something's crawling on me. I don't know, it's an OCD. But I went through and pulled out some of these containers. There's some more out there. And I just came to the conclusion that some of this stuff has got to go. I'm saving it. Now let me just stop lying to myself. Walk in the kitchen. Stop lying to myself. I got a mess in here to clean up today. I'm not gonna wear that stuff anymore. Excuse the noise in the background. That's what's making all the noise. As you can see, I went out to the garage and I pulled out a few containers of clothes. Let me tell you, as much clothes as I've gotten rid of in the last couple of years, it's still a whole lot. And I finally came to the conclusion I was going to have some good stuff in the closet that I decided that I will sell. Some of it I have sent to ThredUp in the past. That's not even worth it. The other stuff is too nice to give away. Well, I'm not saying everything's nice, but it's too expensive just to donate it. Maybe I shouldn't say that. I just can't do that because some of it I haven't even worn. So I'm going to try to sell it. But a lot of this stuff I have here, let me quit lying to myself. I am not going to get this size anymore or wear any of this stuff. So it's hard, as you probably know. You will probably feel that way too. It's hard to let go of some of this stuff. Because I have gotten rid of stuff and then went to look for it because I decided, oh, I'm going to wear it. And then I realized, shit, I done gave it away. So, but today, I'm unloading. I'm loading. I'm done. If I need something new, I'll just go get it. Bye. This is what I have narrowed everything down to. These are denim items that I'm keeping. Because some of it is still, I can still wear. These items also I'm keeping. So much for getting rid of stuff, hey? I'm going to send this to the ThredUp, and this is donating, and that's some stuff I'm going to do laundry on. Now I'm going to go back through the house some more, and I still have more items in the garage that I will be going through. So I'm going to clean out some of my dresser drawers in the bedroom and add some more items to here. Excuse the noise, the air just came on. So, yeah. I just went out in the garage looking for curtain rings. I have some black ones like the ones I have in the living room from IKEA. But these are some that I had back in the day. And believe me, I have tons of them. All different sizes. But the black ones from IKEA, I swear, I put stuff away where I think I can find it and still can't find it. These are nice, but they're bigger than what I want to use. And I bet after I go through all this, the IKEA ones will show up. I searched my toolbox outside. Nowhere. As you can see, I have different colors. Silver. I know my hand's a mess. This color, and I'm not about to take them out and spray them. It's not even worth it. I just mainly want in the kitchen. See, I even have these little small things here. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh, a little moon. This is IKEA stuff from way back when. From back in the day, y'all. I'll show you. I have these clips, all different sizes. Look, little tiny ones. I'm a clip girl. I've been putting clips on my curtains for years. And the curtain rods I've gotten rid of, so I don't know why I'm holding on to some of these. There's some more. I have more than enough to do that if I can't find the black ones. Then I have these silver ones here. They're bigger. And I have some real thick ones. Let me show you. Oops. These match the rods I used to have, but I've gotten rid of the rods. I've donated them. I should have donated these. Yeah, anyway. Curtain rings for days. I'm going to keep searching. So the only place I could think that is probably... I just dropped something. It's still in this office in one of these drawers somewhere. I have to keep searching. Anyway. But like I said, worst come to worst, I'll use these. This does not belong in here. I'll use these. I decided those clip rings weren't going to work for me, so I went ahead and ordered some new ones from IKEA, the black ones to match the curtain rods I had. And as you can see to the left of here, it's pooling onto the floor a little bit, which is okay. To the right, it's actually on the rod. To the left, it's on the clip rings. It may be eventually I'll hem it up, but for now it's okay. Well, this is my desktop in his box. And these are all the parts for my Flexispot desk. Now before I do anything, I'm going to have to take all this stuff down, and I'm going to assemble the desk over in this area. Once all this is out, I'll put the desk together here, but I'm not going to do it today because I'm tired. I'll do it tomorrow, or when I feel energetic enough. Okay, I got the less expensive one. As you can see, I'm pushing the button for it to go up. And I think this one cost me under $300. Now I could have gotten fancy for the $600 one, but I didn't need all that. I just wanted one where I could stand up from time to time because I have a bad back. And sitting down all the time is not a great idea. As you can see, I had a footrest underneath there, but still, the standing up is wonderful. This works out just great. And as far as my review, it is not as shaky like some people say it is. I know it's on this carpet, but still, it is sturdy. Very sturdy. Even if it was on the wood floor itself, it still would be sturdy. I decided I want to organize my spice rack where I can see what's in there. So I found these turntables, and I was trying to see if I can find some more like that. I got them at Marshall's, and I checked Ross, and I checked Marshall's again, and Burlington. I couldn't find any more this size. They were perfect because they sit side by side into this cabinet. So I went back another week. And I know I could go to Amazon and probably order some more, but these cost me $3.49, whereas Amazon was like $16 for it. So I got these little square boxes here, and I'm going to see if I can find some more. At least I can kind of see what's in there. So yeah, I'm going to shop around and see if I can get some more to put these extra spices in. I ended up finding some other clear acrylic boxes, so I just got these because they fit. I just have too many spices, and of course at the top as well. Excuse my mess on the couch. I was laying there watching TV. I ended up ordering one of these cable tidy units to put all my cords underneath my desk, which I do have it in the boxes now, but I still have to work out the cords underneath my desk. All in due time.